Every day I see a lot of people uh, getting desperate, despaired about life, how life is running, and life is not happening according to their choice, and they were getting desperate about that, hopeless about that, not able to decide how to take life forward, in what way, what is the roadmap next. So why this happens? This happens because for something or other, circumstances or people, we get frustrated about something, life, and obviously it doesn't happen overnight, right? You decide something just now and it will start happening immediately after that. It is not possible, obviously. So how to keep motivated when things are taking shape? So you and me and everybody understands that it takes time to things start happening, right? So why then all of us are so stupid about being hopeless while things are taking shape? And how do you know things are taking shape? Because you are taking action. So simple. Because we are taking action and we are required to take action, right? Unless we take action, we are not expecting anything drastic to happen. Anything, the life is not going to change, even if we are in a very hopeless state. So if being hopeless doesn't help, and if being frustrated doesn't help, then why not keep positive? At least we will be happy about our life, right? So what happens is this line happen about whether we should start taking action and stop being frustrated? So that is when the circles actually come into come into action. What circles? Circle of influence for one. So that is the one circle of influence which gets created when one starts taking action. And you will be frustrated, you will be cheated, you will be like say backtracked, you will be uh, so many things. No, people actually don't go in a straight way. Everybody will not be good according to your choice or your your life or the way you are. So what to do? People will be like that. And why they are like that? Because we need to learn a lesson about that, about a particular thing. Life is not going in a straight way, and we need to learn how to deal with a life that is zigzag. So that is why people are there, coming to our lives to teach us how to handle life in those difficult moments. So that is the so everything in life is happening because of a certain choice that we have made and a certain thing that we need to learn. And when it is happening, when we are learning, actually that is the time when we feel frustrated. But should we get frustrated, keep frustrated, or should we go forward with an optimized life and very optimistic manner? So that is the choice we need to make. So every time, so whatever you read or whatever whoever is telling you something very positive, the bottom line is the same, right? To keep positive, keep motivated, and keep acting. How that will happen? So if you think that if somebody is uh, looking at you while you are taking action, and while your actions are being giving you result, that time when you are getting frustrated, who is it that is going to tell you constantly that you are getting successful, you are getting there? So one thing is, one has to have a friend. So which friend? Everybody is busy with their own life. So that is when you write a journal, right? So you list down all the actions point you have taken and what result you are expecting. So there will be phase 1 result, phase 2 result, and phase 3 result. So all these results are happening. So in between, whatever result is happening, you track it down through a journaling so that you can record your trend of things moving ahead. So that is how we tackle with frustration, and that's it. That is the only way. That is the only way to get forward. So when one is in a very difficult situation, very depressed state of mind, journaling is the best thing to do. Thank you.